First rates will just start coming up anytime on your screen now. And the first rates are 1546 advance to decline ratio. It is the breadth which I think is absolutely the power punch or the talking point of the market once again. Hardly any reds, no large newsmakers. The breadth of the market is looking solid. Now you want to look at largely some of the defense names first, because they were on some kind of an tear yesterday. HAL, BEL, Mazgao, Kochi. The strength there is absolutely breathtaking. Then we saw a comeback in some of the mid-tier banks. So IDFC Bank, we saw a comeback, let's say, in a City Union Bank. Some of these stocks have also started coming back. So it's a strong market. No large newsmakers, but it's the market breadth which in a sense is the talking point once again.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's first address the movers from yesterday. And Shriram Finance has really been one of those dominant NBFC names, Nifty name now, of course. 2830 is what it perked up to yesterday. Today it's taking a little bit of a breather, but still latching on to that 2800 level. The index is not really moving a whole lot today, but that's okay. A lot of individual stocks which are going to be in focus. Let's see what Indus Tower, Vodafone, Craftsman Auto, Sansera Engineering. You just saw a sizable block deal on that one. A block deal in Piramal Enterprises as well, by the way. Almost 5% equity has changed hands. There's Gland Pharma, Zerif Commercial, like we've been flagging off, Apollo Hospitals, Muthoot Microfinance, Sona BLW, all these stocks which are in focus this morning. There's also that brokerage note by the House of Motilal Oswal, which has come in on some of the jewelry names. So let's see what Senco, Titan, Kalyan Jewelers, all of them are up to. They, of course, have started off on a much more buoyant note. Not as much for Titan, but definitely Senco and Kalyan have moved up quite nicely in trade. What about the defense pack? Yesterday too, you saw a big move coming in on HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics. Today, it's a little bit quiet there. About 55.30 thereabouts is where the stock is consolidating. By the way, that Gland Pharma block deal, wherein it's understood that Fosun Pharma is looking to offload a 5% stake, that also seems to have happened. GMR Infra, IDFC, Canfin Homes, these have all been very, very buoyant names of late, and most of them are continuing to hold out through. Kunal, quiet start for the index, but what about individual trades that you're looking at?
So I'll still be bullish on the large cap private sector banking name HDFC Bank, and that's a chart which has slowly and steadily come back towards a multi-week high, breaking past about series of resistances 1550, 1600. Also, I think at current levels we could now be looking at a revised target closer to 1650 to even 1680 potentially for HDFC Bank over the near term.
All right, let's get in those first trades from you, Naresh. How have you read into the market open this morning, and what's the first trade that you're punching in? Naresh, if you can unmute yourself.
Yeah. So looking at IndusInd Bank, still lower than the exit poll day highs. If it sustains 1530 would be a good breakout. So expecting it to do so in the next few sessions.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.